Hello, my name is Justin. I've been the programming lead for 2 years and I'm here to talk about the programming team. So, what is the programming team? The programming team writes and tests the code for the robots, whether they be the competition robot, the parade robots, or the day-to-day test benches. Along with writing code, we also have recently started developing code to personalize our driver's user interface, allowing the driver to have a more quicker and more visual interaction with the robot during the matches. Do I need to know how to code? This is probably the most frequently asked question for incoming programmers. The short answer is no. We will teach you all the computer science concepts you need to be an effective coder. However, experience is definitely helpful, and with experience you'll be able to pick up robot coding a lot faster. I will point out that we only program in Java and C++ for the languages, Java for the competition robot and the driver interface, and C++ for the Arduinos used on the parade robots. First Robotics as an organization gives us software libraries and guidelines to use for our code, so even if you are experienced in Java, you'll still need to learn a bunch of material for you to be able to write robot code on your own. But you don't need anything to start. We provide everything you need to code, the software, even the laptops if you don't want to set up the software on your personal or school computer. What is it like to be a programmer? Honestly, being a programmer is probably one of the most fun things I've ever done. Day to day, we pretty much chill in the BOE room, turn up the music on the flat screen TV, and grind out some code. Most of the time, we're working on the test benches. We have a few of these, and most of the time you'll be able to have one of those to yourself, so you can constantly test and develop your own code. When you think the code is ready, you'll take your laptop to the shop or wherever the final robot is or is being built. You can test it there to try to fix any of the coding errors until the mechanical or electrical teams need to fix another part of it. This is really cool because you're able to interact with all of the other sub-teams and get to work in different environments, something that not all the other sub-teams get to do. It's pretty much a constant cycle of that. There will be times when you're waiting for the mechanical team or the electrical team to be ready for us to test. In those times, we'll often get together and play some games, mostly ones we've made up. Otherwise, we'll go and survey the other teams, or just take a snack break. No! Speaking of which, the programming team gets dibs on a large supply of snacks, Pepsi and Mountain Dew. I usually had 2 cans a night, and Mr. Simons, one of our mentors, will often bring in pizza along with snacks and soda during build season. We have a great time, all while learning more than we do in school and progressing our own programming skills significantly. Where can I learn more? Getting a jump start in programming is a really good idea if you don't have that much experience and want to join the programming team. I will say that the programming team requires the most dedication out of any other sub-team, as you'll need to do a decent amount of work beforehand and self-directed learning in order to code to the best of your ability. The payoff is definitely worth it though. I've learned more about programming in Java here than I have through taking AP Computer Science at HFL or programming camps at RIT. If you want to learn how to program well, just join us. If you want to see what our code looks like, it's all on our GitHub page, as you can see on the screen. And if you have any questions on where to start, about us, or about programming in general, you can contact me on my email. Thanks for watching, and go check out the other Open House videos.